Hi. Today you will see cases that only by a lucky chance it turned out to be captured on camera because usually operators do not survive in such situations. Leave your like and pull a mug of tea closer. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Only the brave are respected by height. The views from the windows of high-rise buildings were replaced for a few seconds by a view of a madman who decided to fly between buildings. I am sure that it was a lucky chance that helped the extreme to reach the earth in one piece. Russian roads have a worthy rival. The one-time path disappears right behind the skier. If he hadn't picked up enough speed, he would have gone after a pile of snow. Despite the fact that the list of shark attack victims is very small, this guy could easily replenish it. It must have been a miracle that pulled him out of the predator's mouth full of sharp teeth. Quite often killer whales jump on passing boats. People on your screens can consider themselves lucky because after such an unexpected appearance they got off with just a fright. A night ride on a motorcycle almost ended in tragedy. Two bikers almost met the hero of this video head-on, but karma did not take long to wait. Almost immediately we can hear the hum of sirens. It must be an incredible feeling when a multi-ton iron bird flies a meter above you. It is no other than a miracle that she does not touch a man. Many people don't like excursions because it's boring, but not this time. A group of tourists was lucky to witness a unique spectacle. A positive charge and energy for the whole day. A very creepy experience was experienced by a person on your screens. Caught under a huge wave that sweeps away everything in its path, he swims to the surface only a little scared, where rescuers are already picking him up. My parents always said that you can't take out the trash in the evening, and now I understand why. Grandma stopped on the porch quite in time, which saved her life. It seems as if it is impossible to outrage this grandfather at all. He didn't even blink when the snake's powerful jaw closed in front of his face. I'm not sure if he deliberately dodged or if he was just lucky. What you will not meet on the road. But the sight of a horse on an unlit track would frighten even the most hardened. Unfortunately, we will not find out what secrets these artiodactyls keep, why they meet only at night. Everyone knows how to react when you are cut off on the road, but what if this happens in the air? We will not know this, but we know for sure that it was luck that saved this aircraft. I wish I had the same self-confidence as this guy crossing the road. There is no other way to explain this salvation than by luck. The underwater world is full of beautiful and mysterious animals, but not only marine life is found under the water column. If the diver had been a couple of meters closer to the surface, then everything would have ended quite differently. With one awkward movement, the hero of this fragment managed to add emotions to an already fun activity. I can't believe that after such a fall he managed to remain completely unharmed. There are many ways to cheer up behind the wheel, ranging from coffee to light charging, but this method towers above all others. After such stress, you cannot sleep for a week. The beauty and power of nature. The crew was separated from the all-destroying lightning discharge by only a couple of meters, a little more and one could forget about sea trips forever. I have already shown a similar video earlier, only there is one difference. Everything happens during the day and the extreme athletes were not punished in any way, otherwise there are no differences, the same transport, the same luck. Very romantic video. The man, after catching his falling comrade, decided to repeat the scene from Titanic. Such is the payment for a life saved. Nature explained quite clearly that it is worth looking more closely at the road. By the will of fate, the skier flies over this cliff. Miniature. Me and everyday problems. The man was saved by fast legs and incredible luck. He can safely consider this case his second birthday. The driver has almost said goodbye to his car, but do not rush to sympathize, today is his lucky day. Everything ended well, and everyone remained intact. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new amazing videos. See you soon. Peace.